TensorFlow checkpoint custom map. I am subclassing a Keras model with custom layers. Each layer wraps a dictionary of parameters that is used when generating the layers. It seems these param dictionaries are not set before the training checkpoint is made in TensorFlow, they are set after, which causes an error. I am not sure how to fix this, as the value error being raised also gives outdated information. tf.contrib no longer exists. Value error, unable to save the object, units, 32, activation, tanh, recurrent underscore initializer, gloro underscore uniform, dropout, 0, return underscore sequences, true. A dictionary wrapper constructed automatically on attribute assignment. The wrapped dictionary was modified outside the wrapper. Its final value was, units, 32, activation, tanh, recurrent underscore initializer, gloro underscore uniform, dropout, 0, return underscore sequences, true. Its value when a checkpoint dependency was added was none, which breaks restoration on object creation. If you don't need this dictionary checkpointed, wrap it in a tf.contrib.checkpoint.nodependency object, it will be automatically unwrapped and subsequently ignored. Here's an example of the layer that is throwing this issue. baselayer.py.
The issue I was facing was that I was popping items from a dictionary passed into a layers.layer. When passing a dictionary into a layer, it must remain unchanged as it is tracked. My solution was to further abstract away parameter parsing and pass in a finalized dictionary.
Your recurrent config object should inherit from tf.keras.layers.layer instead of baselayer. The TF documentation on checkpoint/delayed restorations covers why. Layer objects in TensorFlow may delay the creation of variables to their first call when input shapes are available. For example, the shape of a dense layer's kernel depends on both the layer's input and output shapes, and so the output shape required as a constructor argument is not enough information to create the variable on its own. Since calling a layer also reads the variable's value, a restore must happen between the variable's creation and its first use. To support this idiom, tf.train.checkpoint queues restores which don't yet have a matching variable.